Hey guys, so this is going to be a shorter video than the tutorials that I normally put up, so let's get straight into the products. So I used all Nail Nails acrylic powders. I used natural beige, mega white, crystal clear, frosted shimmer, and I also used these little iridescent shapes and glitters from Nail Nails, as well as some iridescent mylar. So for my ring finger, I did the whole nail using mega white. And then while the acrylic was still wet, I just pressed in all those little glitters and the mylar as well. So on my middle finger, I used mega white again, just on the tip. And then again, I put those little glitters and the iridescent mylar on top of that white. So at this point, I realized that I'd forgotten to dehydrate and prep my nails. So I did that. Obviously, I couldn't do my ring finger, but it's fine. It's cool. It's still on my hand, so it's okay. Then I moved on to my index finger and I created an extended nail bed using natural beige. And then once I'd done that, I left it to dry and moved on to another nail because I'm going to go back and file around it to make sure the edges are nice and clean. So then on my pinky finger, I used mega white again, just on the tip, and blended that up. And then did the same thing on my thumb. Now, the reason why I applied the acrylic in this way on my thumb, it looks a bit funny, is because I was going to do like a little soft marble type look, but then I realized it was kind of pointless because I was going to put the glitter on top of it anyway, so you wouldn't have been able to see it. So the reason why I'm applying mega white on the tips and then allowing it to dry is so that when I go in to put the colour on the cuticle area, which is natural beige, it doesn't bleed into the white. And I found that my ombres look much better when I do it this way. So then I used my 100/180 grit nail file to file around that extended nail bed on my index finger. And then I filled in the tip with mega white. Then I went back to my middle finger and used natural beige on the nail bed and just blended that down into the mega white and the glitters to create this nice ombre. And then I did the same thing on my pinky finger using natural beige, and again on my thumb. Then once I'd done that, I went back to my index finger and filed the white off of the extended nail bed area. So now you can see the shape of the extended nail bed is nice and clean. And then I encapsulated all the nails using crystal clear. I filed my nails off camera because it's hard enough filming myself applying the acrylic and keeping my hand in the shot. And when I'm filing, it's a nightmare. So I decided to use Swarovskis for this set, and I used my Blue Sky Builder Gel to stick them down. Now, this is what I do every time I put Swarovskis on my nails, and I've never had an issue with them falling off or anything like that. So I applied that builder gel to the cuticle area of my index finger, and then I picked up different size Swarovskis using my wax pencil and just pressed them into that builder gel. When you use builder gel to stick down your crystals, you have all the time in the world to play. It's not going to dry like if you used nail glue to stick them down. You need a UV light to cure it. It gives you plenty of time to move them around until you're happy with them. I also added some of these Swarovski Pixie crystals around the larger Swarovski crystals, just to fill in any gaps and to kind of complete the crystal look. And then before I cured that, I went in and top coated that nail using Urban Graffiti gel top coat. And then I cured that nail. Once I'd done that, I used that same Blue Sky Builder Gel around the cuticle area of my pinky finger. And then again, I went in with my wax pencil and picked up some Swarovski crystals and just placed them around the cuticle area. So as you can see, after I put them down, I use my wax pencil to move them around and just make sure that they're sitting perfect. And then again, I just went and top coated that nail using the Urban Graffiti gel top coat, and then I cured it. Once I'd done that, I top coated my ring and middle finger and cured those. And then I did the same with my thumb. Now, the reason why I do my thumb separately is because obviously when you put your hand into the lamp, your thumb is sitting sideways and you don't want that gel to run to the side of your thumb. So it's just better to cure your fingers first and do your thumb by itself afterwards. So once I cured all my nails, I went in with this pink pineapple cuticle oil, which smells amazing. And this is the final look. I really love these nails. They look so good. My camera doesn't even do them justice. They just look so beautiful. I was actually going to do like a really colourful set but someone suggested that I do nude nails with white tips. So I took the idea and just added a little me spin to it. I feel like these nails would be perfect wedding nails. I can imagine them matching my shoes. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will be uploading again soon. So until then, stay blessed. Bye.